Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time or you're seeing my channel for the first time, my name is OGOM'S, Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. So today I'll be showing you how to make Onugbo soup, that is bitter leaf soup. So if you would love to know more, let's run my intro. So guys, I'll be showing you the ingredients that we'll be using to cook this yummy meal. So right here we have crayfish, we have seasoning cubes, we have salt, we have ede, which is cocoyam, and so we have bitter leaf here, we have oil here, we have dry fish, then we have yellow pepper. Using yellow pepper in your meals gives it, like, it takes the meal from 100 to 1000, and we have more here. So right here we have meat. So we have meat here. I'm using this spoon because I will definitely put the cocoyam inside. We have goat meat here, and we have snail. So this meat has been cooking for like 15 minutes now, and I'll be getting into adding the ingredients immediately. So that's it. So I'll be adding our ede right now. So I'll be showing you how to pound this ede, how it looks and how it's going to look when you have cooked it and you're pounding it. So I'll be adding this ede inside. So this ede is actually going to thicken the soup. So that is the main aim of adding ede or cocoyam into your soup. So I have finished adding our ede. I'll be pouring in our red oil right now. So this is red oil, like from Igbo, from the east. So that's our red oil, and I'll be leaving this to cook for some time. That is when the ede must have finished thickening the soup. So I'll be covering this to boil for as long as possible when it has finished that's the English. So guys, here is our soup, and the cocoyam has finished. How do I put it? It has disappeared into the soup, which means that it has thickened the soup. So right now we'll be adding our other ingredient, crayfish, salt, seasoning cubes, and ogiri. So this is my ogiri. Okay, I forgot to show it in my spices. So I usually get this from the east, and I pack everything inside this place. So I'll be adding our ingredients right now. So here is our seasoning cubes. Hey, patience. Is it that your stomach will be big there? It's small. So here is our ogiri. I'll be adding it. I've added 1 seasoning cubes. So I'll be adding crayfish and salt right now. So here is our salt. I'm just going easy with the salt. Then I'll be adding crayfish, like so much, and we'll be stirring this. So if the soup is too thick for you, you can still add more water. So now I'll be adding our pepper. So if you are the pepper type, you add more pepper. Me, I'm pepper. And after that, I'll be adding our pomo. So I had to change my spoon because that one wasn't giving me the vibes that I want. So I changed the spoon. So you turn, and let's get our bitter leaf ready. So here is our onugbo. Yes, I usually cook mine to remove a little bit of the bitterness, and then after cooking it, I will still in my language, as in like I will still touch it, I will still shred it, shrink it, whichever one, I will still shrink it to remove the dirt before I can use it for my soup. So here is this. Yeah, I will still remove all this stick that you're seeing. So that is it. So here is our soup. Right now I'll be adding the bitter leaf. So here is our soup, all done. That's a snail. So there you have it. So guys, here is our soup. Okay, don't worry, this is my own, but this is the professional one. I'll be attaching a video. So here is our soup. You can use this snail to cook any soup. So that's it.